everyone and welcome back. So in this week's video, I'm going to show you how I turned this plain light brown fedora into this beautiful hand-burned mushroom fedora. So there you have it. This beauty will be part of the spring collection. I've already done posts for the spring collection because I've got quite a few hats to show you guys, but I'm gonna add this one to it as well, I think. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, if you're a complete beginner and you want to do one of these hats, I do have a beginner's guide to hat burning where I have the links to the supplies that you'll need and all the tools, and I talk you through the step-by-step on burning your own hat. So I will leave that in the link. I will leave the link down below. I'll put it in the comments and in the description. And that's it for this week. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. And I will see you next week. Also, I'm posting videos every week as well. By the way, just for a heads up, because it was every 2 weeks, but I've decided to go back to weekly because I missed editing videos. I'll see you later.